There we go. We are live on YouTube. Let me ping the link. Bro, hell no. You will get server muted for the... You'll get banned. Bro, hell to the no.
Where's Cena?
Where's Cena? What, is he your fucking puppet?
There he is.
Right. I like it when Cena's in here. There he is, the boy. Hey, Cena.
Whenever he's in here, though, I just cannot show the Discord at all. Just because he's just fucking waiting for me to show it so then he can ping some crazy fucking messages. Yeah, exactly, Cena. That is why I cannot show the Discord. 1 sec, YouTube. I'm just... Right. Live market analysis. Come hop in, peoples. 1 sec. Ping that. Add the photo. And we're good to go. Desktop. See our trading.
What news we got next week?
I've not even checked the news, to be fair.
No.
Bam! Right, live on YouTube. Done.
I'll mute myself. Oh, no.
What even is the thing that you sent in economics? I don't know. I've not really got into it yet. Oh shit, that could have a bit of an effect on market open, to be fair. I don't really want to click on that whilst I'm live on YouTube because YouTube are pussies. Yeah, no. I'll wait until after the YouTube and then we can... Whoa, that is crazy. Okay. Let me grab this. There you go, YouTube. I can now see your comments. Right, let's get into it. Perfect. We are fucking good to go. Okay, so last week, I wasn't very active at all. I was in London for a few days doing some content for Equity Edge. And then I basically went camping for a few days, so I was not on charts at all. Wasn't really on social media. I hopped in the Discord once, twice. So I don't have a clue what happened. Yeah, I went dogging exactly in the Welsh countryside. Great, I've lost my thought process now. I've actually completely forgot. Oh yeah, we had Jackson's Hole Symposium, which is basically where a bunch of central bankers, policy people get together in Jackson's Hole, Mississippi, Michigan. No, don't know, somewhere in America. And he talk about all the fucking interest rates, inflation, all that stuff. And it is a very big event. Obviously, the US is getting pressured right now. Trump wants to cut rates by a silly amount. Powell doesn't like Trump. Trump doesn't like Powell. Powell says he has a wait and see approach, which basically means fuck off Trump, I'm doing it however I want. And he's refused to cut rates, and they've kept rates the same for a little while now. I don't really see a crazy reason to cut rates based off the data. The only reason Trump wants to cut rates is to reduce the interest on the US deficit, because I think they owe like a shit ton of money. And obviously he wants to stimulate growth and push shit businesses, even though inflation is kind of creeping up right now. And obviously if you cut into inflation, it fuels inflation, which is a very bad idea. So yeah, we saw gold absolutely rocket. I don't even know. Okay, so really weak dollar. Bonds, I'm guessing, dropped. Yep. I'm guessing stocks pushed. Yep. So we saw a very weak dollar. So yeah, I don't really know what happened. I wasn't here, so we can either go over that, or we'll go over the market and then we'll go over some fundamental shit, because not many of you guys give a shit about fundamentals. He is open for cuts, which is why DXY is tanking. Okay, I mean, that makes sense, obviously. Lower interest rates means currency devalues because it is less attractive for foreign investment. So yeah, it just will drop. Okay, so that's the reason. So because he said he's potentially open for cuts in September. Gold pumped $50. If so, that's crazy. Did anyone take this 61 fib short on gold? This was a big short. You have many upcoming trades this week? I have not looked yet. I'm just about to get into some analysis. You took the 61. Okay. I mean, it's a $50 move. Broke every single level. Fair play. But... And it's a 75 psych. Holy shit. That isn't a 1 hour trade for me. That would have been a 4 hour. Let's just go back and see if I would have hit stop loss. If I knew the speech was happening, then obviously I would have went a bit of a bigger stop loss. Probably would have entered somewhere around 7.3, bit lower. Let's say 7.28. Probably with that stop. Which means, holy shit, I would have gotten very... Oh! I would have missed take profit by... If I entered at, what, 0.8? 7.3. Oh, yeah, no, I wouldn't have hit take profit. And I would have missed... I would have hit stop loss. Is that where I would have entered? Yeah, that is where I would have entered. I would have hit stop loss. Oof. Hello, Benchy. Hello. Hit my TP by 1 pip. Damn. So yeah, that wouldn't have went well for me, but I don't know if I would have taken out, to be honest. So let's actually go into some trades. Let's start off with Euro Aussie. So we saw highs tap on almost everything. Ooh, okay, you look good. I'll take that. I think I like half have a tan. In other words, I got burnt on the first day and I'm a bit red. That's my version of a tan. So I will take that. Thank you. I appreciate that. I mean, this fucking yellow lighting does kind of help me. I can't lie. If I put it on white, I do then fade into the background. Wait. You know what? No, I'm not even that bad. I'll take that. Makes me a bit more yellow though. I mean, I see no change in your skin color. Oh, right. Okay, never mind. Okay. Yeah, did anyone take any of these highs? GA came to highs. GN obviously didn't tap anything. EN was at the high. This is... I don't know. Did it have alignment? EA was at the high. Anyone take any of these trades? No order and enter D shit pairs. Fuck off. What do you trade then, Tux? Just GJUJ gold? There's nothing left. Very handsome man. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Gold, yen, GU. Oh, how are you chatting shit on EN, EA, GA, GN, but you're trading GU? Hell no. I still can't remember which one it is, but one of these have got 100% win rate, to be fair. Try out Fibonacci. I might give it a go. Maybe. I'm joking. I've been trading Fib for like 5 years now. I literally just posted a video before on the Fib. If you... Ta-da! The Fib. By the way, you guys should watch that. That's my attempt at a YouTube video, because I can't be asked posting YouTube videos because they're too much effort to make and edit. So instead I create a almost 3-minute short form video because it's so much easier. Anyway, so Euro Aussie dollar. Yeah, I mean, I'm guessing no one took this then, because no one replied. When water falls to earth, goes back up to clouds. That is not English. Okay, so Euro Aussie dollar. I honestly don't really see much here. You have these shitty little intra wicks. You have the stroke. There you go. That's yeah, that's what I wanted to say. Clollan 3 on your entry. What are people smoking in here? Jesus Christ. I'm now Fibs Pro. Jesus, come on. Where is the punctuation and grammar, man? Let's see, GU. That's nice, to be fair. There's a big zone, but that's nice. That fucking works as well. Well done. That is really nice. So yeah, I honestly, Euro Aussie dollar, I don't see anything here. This is messy as fuck. I wouldn't really go for that break retest. I'll mark it out, but I'm not. I can't say I'm interested. So yeah, no. Did anyone see? No. What did you just trade news? Professionals. What was the trade? Let me get rid of that. Now I can get rid of this and just ping the levels instead. Ain't legit. Okay, I ain't getting into controversies. Okay, so basically he bought a funded account and just went full leverage, degened it. That's basically what he did, obviously. And held it through that. With no TP. Fair enough. Oh, I think it was from... Okay, I mean, fair, but why would they target 140 pips? Surely they, I mean, were they purposely holding it through news, I'm guessing? Surely, right? Yeah, that's true. That's true. Okay, so that break retest, I will actually give that a go, and I will give that a go. I'll give both of those a go, even though that is pretty shit. No, I'll give it a go. Ian, sure. Yep. Happily give that one a go. 38 fib, break retest. That is more than fine. And then we have this one below, which is the 50 fib. I'm also cool with that. Yep. 50 fib and then the 38 fib. Alert set, perfect. And then we could potentially see alignment, I guess. Can you give us... Oh, hell no. Hell no. No chance. No chance. I ain't even talking. I ain't getting into fucking beef. Right, Cena, you're fucking banned, man. You should see the results from old Wicks and Fibs. I still have the Google Sheets if anyone wants to see it. Fucking hell. Yeah, 2023, that was it. Just the entirety of 2023 was insane. Yeah, there you go. It was something like that. That was fucking stupid. That is stupid. That is absolutely stupid. Have you tried doing this now, Tux? Just going like 1-to-1 and just taking every single trade. Have you tried it or not? That's now. Oh shit, okay. What, as in you just taking a level and fib? Past 2 weeks? No, it's not. No, it is not. There is no chance. All pairs. Bro, you can fuck right off. Holy shit. That's not too bad. Can you ping the sheet so we can look? Oh, so we can look through some of the trades. We can go over some of the trades on here. Because, yeah, no, all good, no stress. I'll just do this. Just try it, Leon. It's Colin third. Huh? Ah, fuck no. I ain't using a fib fan. Hell no. Nah, I am not a fan of the fan shit. I'm sorry. Damn, what a win rate. Yeah, that's basically how I used to trade. When it's, yeah, I know everyone just hopped on instantly on fans, bro. I was like, fuck no. I drew it on my chart. I was like, yeah, hell nah. I'm not using this. Same with like fib extensions and all that shit. It's like one thing to the next. Is it a Minecraft map? That's funny. So that's no, that's no. We do have this, and we have this break retest. Okay, perfect, Tux. Let's quickly go over this. Here we go. So is it this one, Tux? No. Bro, there's so much shit in here. Copy of Silver Bullet. Which one is it, Tux? All pairs. Okay. Fucking hell, mate. So it's just level and fib. Everything is just level and fib. Ignore the top. Yeah, that's all good. Bro, how much shit do you have on here? Holy fuck. Comment. Oh, well, comment. Pull it before. Would I... Okay, so let's go through some of these trades. We're just going to go whack. Whack. We'll just go batch of 5. You know what? No, we'll go batch of 10. Here we go. Right, here we go. Tight R stop loss. Fair. I need to see if these work though, to be fair. So we're doing it from obviously here. One to okay, so failed. This one works. Fucking hell, mate. This is degen. Okay. That worked. Fuck no. No chance. That one works though. And then worked again and then failed. No, that's beyond degen. Fucking hell. That failed. That was the cleanest one. And then failed again, right? No, it looks like it worked. Maybe. That looks like it failed. And then all these worked. Yeah. Either you cheated the entry on that one, though. Yeah, sure. Sure. Sure, you cheated the entry on that one. What? I don't know about that one. Yeah, sure. Okay, interesting. Interesting. Huh. I'm guessing all the stats are fucked. Surely. Yeah, fucking hell. Yeah, all the stats are so fucked. Okay, interesting. Yeah, of course it's interesting to see. There are some degen trades. I need to get on my data collection. I really do need to crack on with my data collection because I've been very fucking useless with that. I've been whacking on with a funder at the minute, but then my data collection and journaling is shit. I know, Lytix. I know. Fucking crack on. Just remembered. Oh, here we go. Go on, waiting for you to type. Actually, no, I'm not. My 9 stop loss streak. Mine? Or Tux? You talking about Tux? Or Lytix? I'm guessing you're not talking about me.
No, I got a Instagram notification the other day from MCR. It was on Fred saying that you got a 9 SL streak. Let me try and find it. 2 seconds.
Oh, was it on Twitter?
I don't know. It come up on Threads on my Instagram.
Threads? I have not used Threads in fucking ages. I do remember posting a tweet about it or some shit. I don't have a 9 losing streak. Let me like my own tweet. There we go. I have a 176 streak. What a gamma chord. I don't know what language you're speaking at the minute, mate. I don't understand what that means. What a gamma chord. And if you have a 176 win streak, I am a little bit skeptical, to say the least. But if you do, if you can prove it, that would be fucking insane. Anyway, what we're doing, I'm chatting shit now. These are 2 valid trades, but they're 2 awkward ass trades, because if we look at take profit on this one, well, stop loss, sorry, more like, that is a bastard, isn't it? Unless you went pretty damn tight and went 35, I'd have to base the break retest off of this instead, like the weekly break retest, and then went like 40 on this. How would you guys manage this? I mean, none of you guys trade fucking GA. That is an awkward one, isn't it? That 38 is valid, and so is the 50 break retest. I don't know. That's a really shit one. Unless you... I don't know. That's the only way you can manage it. Obviously, you have this wick to also base the break retest off of. Which I guess you're kind of entering in. Because the stop loss is basically the entry to the next one. Which I guess isn't the end of the world. It's not that bad, is it? Like, even if it was like that, it's not actually that bad. That is legit good. Okay, we think that's good. I would take the break retest because it's so close to market open. Yeah, then that... Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Fucking thanks, Otto. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, of course. Yeah, I'm dumb as fuck. I forgot about market open. Sorry, Leon, but just for me, your strat looks like gambling. Otto is in the YouTube. My strategy looks like gambling. I mean, why does it look like gambling? Isn't just everything gambling just with probabilities? That's it. I don't... Why does it look like gambling? I can explain like the reasoning behind each confluence I use if you want. Like the reasoning behind each level, the reasoning behind the fib, alignment, timing, and why I think it works. If you want. You have one chart up and scuff your lower chart under the fib. I don't understand. You have one chart up and scuff your lower chart under the fib. I don't understand what you mean, sorry. Your line. Yeah? Bro speaks kebab. Cena, that's so good. You entry. On 2.07, yeah? Yeah, so obviously this is my level. I do have, let's just ignore that real quick, okay? So, I mean, no, we can't ignore that because the reason I'm going for this entry is because that's so close. But if this wasn't here, these are my 2 levels I'm looking at right now. You got the bigger retest, which is technically the weekly break retest. And then you have this wick on the daily, which as you can see on the 4 hour is this zone, which it's kind of done that like double retest shit, which is nice. It just adds additional confluence. But I would normally, this is your fib, this is the top of the level. You'd normally enter on first confluence, so you'd enter here and you'd make sure to cover the fib. Is this less than 30? Yeah, so that's more than a valid zone. So I'd enter here and cover the fib. I'd cover the bottom confluence by, I'd like to cover it by about 15. But instead, because this level is so close, obviously if I was going for this top trade as well, let's say it was this, I don't know, this risk management seems a bit scuffed to me because your stop loss is within the entry of the other trade, which is a bit fucked because then you're getting tagged in 2 trades and you're doubling your risk, like active risk. So instead, I'd rather wait for a deeper retracement into this into this secondary break retest, and then I don't have to cover as much with a stop loss, which means I can target less, because if I'm going for 1-to-1, I can basically, probably even less, I can basically target that break retest. So as we see the breach of this, I can basically target that retest, because if I'm targeting any more, we've got the chance of obviously it doing this and then fucking me up. So I don't really want my take profit much further than this at all. Yeah, but it's too high. What's too high? My take profit? My entry? Lower it. Am I getting rage baited here? Leon getting trolled is like watching the Zoom boomers getting raided by a 20-year-old. Well, this is Lytix on an alt account, isn't it? So you will trade from there if it comes down quickly. Yeah, so I'd like... Best conditions for this is a clean breach of this. Obviously, we have market open. If market opens here and reacts, I'm put off. The best scenario possible would for market to open, let's say just a bit higher, and then we see that clean breach tomorrow morning London open, a breach of this and a tap straight into this, because then we're given a nice little almost 100 pip move in, and in total like a 200 plus. If we do a reaction from like here, then it just makes this price action within this zone messy as fuck. Okay, you said lower it, yeah. Yeah, as in, okay, right. I'm just gonna carry on for now, but I don't know exactly what you mean. I honestly feel like I'm getting trolled a little bit, but I can't tell. Let's keep on going. Okay, I mean, I'll just keep it as that. So that one is fucked, yeah, because that we do have market open. And yeah, I did post about, I mean, I don't want to actually click on it because I don't want to get bummed on YouTube. But there was like some shit, as you can see. I don't know how serious that is. I've not actually looked into it at all. But if that is serious, then we might see... I mean, gold is already on the big ass upside from the potential rate cuts, so we could see a continued gap up, which does make sense, because then we have the rate cut pricing in, and we also have the risk off, maybe a tiny bit. I don't know. No one else talking about it. Okay, maybe it might just be fucking fake shit. I don't know. I've not really looked into it, so I couldn't really comment. Just downloaded threads to prove my point. Also said you'd not post on there in a while. You posted like 10 minutes ago. Oh shit. Oh, I forgot when I post on Instagram, it automatically shares it to threads. I swear I don't even have the threads app downloaded. I've not had it like since I downloaded since it like came out. Where's the Twitter link? I mean, the Twitter is just MCR Trading if you want to hop on. I just had a shower and it hasn't even changed pair. Bro, fuck off. This guy. GN. Go and follow the Twitter, by the way. We're posting now quite a bit up to her. Fuck. Okay, so GN. Let's get to GN. What time is it? Oh, it's only been half an hour. Chilling. Easy. And we can do a bit of fundamental analysis after this. The highs. I don't really want to look at the highs. I can't be bothered, to be honest. I'd rather just look at these levels. Now, that's a nice, easy one. This one is where it gets... Fuck off. This one is where it gets a little bit weird, because Funder Yap with no bias in the end. Fuck yeah. Come on, Lytix. The Funder Yaps are pretty fun. Come on. Surely. Yeah, the only reason I'm not a huge fan of this is because the levels we're going to have to cover are awkward as fuck. We have this. So when you're entering a trade on this one, 50 fib, little level, especially we see a breach of this, What the fuck are you doing? Where are you going? What are you doing? Because no matter where you put your stop loss, let's draw these professionally. No matter where you put your no matter where you put your stop loss, it is literally a few pips away from the next level. And do you really want price to push in, tap into that level, do the move? No, so then you got to extend it a little bit. And you extend it to there, and then you've got a level just below. I don't know. So instead, I think what I'd do, the way I'd manage this is I would do the same as you, Tate. I would stay clear. So I'd take this first one with time no alignment because there isn't a fib or anything. So we get rid of this. We go timing or alignment, which is completely valid. We set an alert because that is a valid trade. This one is nice, but it's going to have to be left because there's so much shit. So instead, I would wait for the last level all the way down here, which I know is... I know is a bit of a bastard because what are the chances of it breaching? Well, no, what are the chances of it breaching this, breaching the next one, and then tapping the last one? Probably pretty slim. But I'd rather go for this than getting tapped out on one of these. Just focus on recent price action. That is recent price action. No, I mean, it's 2 months away, but if I can see it on the chart, it's recent price action. Yeah, no. You can do it with your degen shit. What if I can see it on the chart? It's recent price action. No, it's all right, Tux. You can do your shit. But that level lines up with the 50 fib and a level behind. Looks good to me. Yeah, no, yeah, I agree. It's just that we have all this, and obviously, how you want your stop loss to cover the levels, and whenever price is this messy, this price action, it never has clean wicks. The wicks are never clean. I'm just the devil in your ear trying to get you to actually... Right, Tate, that's crazy. Yeah, of course. She's in this Discord, you know. None of you guys are OG enough to know her. She used to post charts and shit. Does anyone remember her pink charts and her setups? I don't think. Yeah, you actually do, Lytix. No, you don't. Really? What, from FXC? That's crazy if that's what you're saying. Is that who you mean? Ah, that is mental. That is crazy. So right, we wait for breach. We go for this one with breach. Come on. Template. There we go. Only meant to... Right, that's weird as fuck. Anyone take anything on GJ? Because this shit is boring. GJ was... Yes, no, nothing. So is that you did? We can't open this chart layout for you. Yeah, this is... Wow. That is just shit. Absolute shit. You literally can't take anything. Okay, let's see. Hell nah. Hell nah. Yeah, that's the exact same as you had last week. Still the degen trade. This goes stop loss. Don't take. I agree, Lytix. I agree. MD followed you. Fuck yeah, we got a follower. Yeah, so nothing on that. UJ. Did anyone take this? I'm pretty sure this was a fib. Anyone take that? Tux? Missed it. How did you miss it? Look how much drawdown it did. What do you mean you missed it? Right, it went past the level. How did you miss that? Just didn't have the limit. Oh, right. That's a clean move in. What's everyone's next trade on GJ? UJ, shit. UJ. Let's see. Are we still taking the 61 fib? 145.2. Okay. Just followed. Ah, thanks, Gosu. Thank you, man. Thank you. You make sure to like every single fucking tweet, alright? Boom, 4 likes. Oh my god. 19 people have seen it. Crazy. Can you normally sleep with this strat? Oh yeah, like crazy. Like good recovery. I hear some can't take a nap normally. All I do, literally, if you want to be laid back with this strategy, such as me, all you do is set your alerts, and I do not even look at the charts until an alert goes off. So I can go until Thursday before I look at a chart. If I have a busy week, that is what I'll do. I'll set alerts before all the levels. So I have, you know, like half an hour before it taps the level to take a trade, to place the trade, and that's it, done. If you really want to, you don't even have to look at anything. And in the end, you don't take a trade anyway. Exactly. Exactly. Just like that. Yeah. So, yeah. Yeah, are we taking a 61 fib? Sorry, I completely forgot what people answered already. It's really bad. No. You don't hit today. Unless stars are aligned. Okay, so if we see DXY, J225, that type shit. Yeah, I think I agree. I will copy you there. Need good conditions. If not, we'll take this one with breach. Watch me hit. No, I'll take it with you, Lytix. I'll take it with you. Gold. Okay, well, we're done. I think that's about it, right? That's UJ. Gold. Let me do my analysis first, and then I'll get to your shit analysis. I'm playing. So gold is still stuck in this dead ass range. We are forming a little ascending triangle, ascending wedge, as you can see, just like that, which means bap 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 bap, or bap 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 bap. That's basically what that means. I don't know. It's creating higher lows, but lower highs, which means we're gonna have a big breakout on one of these sides. And I'm guessing we're gonna have a break to... Huh. See, this is a really tough one. Okay, here we go. Do a poll. Here we go. Gold break to down. Gold break. I'll just put gold break. Up. Down. There we go. I just posted a poll. Where are we going? Are we going up or down? Fuck, I can't draw a line. There we go. Up or down? So, the reasons for it going up is interest rates cut. I mean, it's probably already like half priced in, especially after Friday. But especially September, which, I mean, is next month. If rates are cut, then obviously USD goes down, which means gold goes up. And the reason for it going down is de-escalation with Russia, Ukraine, Israel, all that shit, which is kind of happening. Because obviously gold has been like fucking hyperinflated due to all the wars over like the past 2 years. As you can see, gold was nowhere near as crazy. And then from here on, we had like Ukraine, Russia popped off. We had the Israel shit pop off. A lot of shit. And as you can see, gold went from, I mean, yeah, decent move here. Nothing really. And then bam. So it has been like crazy inflated. So I think it is due for a big retracement soon, surely, right? No worries, Tux. Yeah, hopefully I will actually take a trade. We'll see, we'll see. I'm just a spectator now. I don't trade anymore. Gold TP market open. I ain't that much of a degen. Oh, you guys took the sell. Never mind. Yeah, good luck. So yeah, we'll see what gold does. Anyway, let's see Cena's charts. No. We are going to melt up in DXY. It's going to drag so hard that the Fed has to change stances again. Melts up. Melt is normally down. October banks release. Hold. I'm reading so many different things at once there. So 4 hour, let's have a look. Let's get rid of this shit. Get rid. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, so there's levels. 4 hour, we have a nice little break retest. We have another nice little break retest. I have a level down here. We have a level down here. We have a few levels. And then let's go to the 1 hour. I think these are all valid 1 hour trades. I would probably take it off of this fib. That's the most recent move. 38 valid. That's a trade for me. Done. This one is also valid. Is it a valid 1 hour trade? Yeah, I'll go 50, 70. Oh, 50, 75 is a bitch. Ah, because of that level. That is annoying. That level is a bit wide. I think I'll have to... I think the top one, I'll go 1 hour base. And then the bottom one is much safer for a 4 hour based trade. I think something like this. That's way safer. Yeah, I prefer that. I will go with something like this. Just like this. Pinging alert there. Pinging alert there. Bam. Hold runner. Nah, not yet. Because I'm a pussy with my runners, so I just want some TPs, please. I'll start doing some long-term thunder hold soon. Bro, my camera's been off for 10 minutes. Why is no one gonna fucking tell me? Right. Crazy. Turn it on. Lytix, thank you, man. I appreciate it. You're the only real one in here. Oh, shit. There we go. Yeah, so that's my gold expectations. Yeah, I mean, that's about it. It's literally it. Yeah, I mean, does anyone have anything else, or is that pretty much it? I think that's it, right? We can now do a quick bit of thunder shit. Right, knives now, please. Oh shit, I shouldn't show that on YouTube. Fuck. Huh. We can do some thunder stuff. Okay, right, YouTube, I'm gonna move over to the Discord because we'll probably talk about some recent conflicts that have happened and I don't want to get, like, kicked off YouTube or anything. And now we'll go into, like, the boring thunder stuff, like fundamentals and inflation, interest, all that shit with all my little charts and stuff. So if you do want to learn about the fundamental side of it, then hop in. I'm not a pro, but I am learning, so you can learn with us if you want. So yeah, if you are in the YouTube, then I mean the link's like just click this, there's the Discord, bam, just like that. And make sure to like the video. Do we have any likes apart from me? Crazy, 1 like. Okay, that's an L. Right, YouTube.